Okay, we're back at this stage again. And it's a repetitive theme for all the sections. We're just trying to get your feet wet. We're not trying to scare you with this. All right. It's good you get your feet wet though, so you can move forward when you start taking more advanced courses, not only at Essex, but at other schools. All right. To be able to use a computer effectively. All right. So someone says, what's this one about? It's certainly related to what we just discussed. And what we just discussed was some of the problems that we did were just arithmetic problems. All right. So let me go to Sage. And I'll be careful. And we'll go back over the notes and look for this one over here. So reset. We've been doing this for some time. And this is square root. And the square root is going to take an argument. And that argument looks like it's 7.2. I'm just typing what I'm seeing. Plus 3.5 squared plus minus 3.1. I'll look back over this to find this problem. Minus 4.6. Square that, and we're going to close out the square root argument and see what it gives us. And it gives us that number over there. So what I want to do is go back over the notes and tell you that this has something to do with what we've done. And really, I'm looking for the answer 13.18, and I immediately see it. So someone says, what was this problem over here? It was the distance between these 2 points over here. Let me just review that with you. So what I do, it's, the change in x is 7.2 minus a minus 3.5. That's right here. This is Pythagorean theorem, square it. And there's going to be minus 3.1. Whoops, sorry about that. It's going to be minus 3.1 minus 4.6 quantity squared. And it's Pythagorean theorem. It's a distance formula. x2 minus x1 quantity squared, y2 minus y1 quantity squared. Then we take the square root of that to get the distance. Do we get the answer they say we should get? Well, they said the answer is, to round to the nearest 100, 13.18. Certainly, they rounded it properly. All right. So a Sage can be used very simply as a calculator. All right. It's important to know that. However, you may say to yourself, I want to use a different calculator. And we don't want to stop you. We want you to use the tools that you like doing. When you transfer to another school, though, I really do point at NJIT. NJIT kind of forces students to use one particular product, which I personally don't think is a good idea. I think students should be able to use the products they like using. All right. Now, certainly, I'm not a big fan of Sage. I would rather use different software, but that other software is very, very expensive. So I would recommend Sage because it's free and it's widely used. All right. Thank you.